Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to look up Bosch and First Company water source heat pumps that we have in stock in South Florida if you're looking in Trilogy. So from the main menu, we're going to type in PI for product inquiry and hit enter. In the email I told you for Bosch, you can type in BSV and then a back bracket. That back bracket is located just above your enter key, 2 keys to the right of the letter P as in Paul, and then hit enter. As you can see, if you look on just the right side of my screen over here, available shows a bunch of blanks and zeros, and I have 4 pages to go through if you look up here, and I'm seeing a bunch of zeros, so that might prompt you to wonder what I'm talking about when I say we have them in stock. That's because on the left side of the screen I am looking in warehouse 2523, which is East Tampa. I need to change that warehouse, or I could detail one product at a time. It's much faster to change a warehouse, so if we want to change it to Doral, we would type in W for warehouse and hit enter, and then choose the warehouse you want to pick. So Doral is 3376. You would need some knowledge of the branch numbers before you decide to do this. Hit enter. Now you can see it changes, and in the availability column you can see some numbers populate around the models they have in stock. So that gives you a better idea. You can see that it's they're all copper coils in Doral. I believe West Palm Beach has some Cooper nickel. But anyway, you have 4 pages to go through. You just keep hitting enter to go to page 2, page 3, and page 4. And those were all, again, BSV back bracket. And I'm going to end out, if you want to look at First Company, in the email I put, you can type in FWSV back bracket. And again, same thing, only 1 page of results, but I'm still in East Tampa. I'm going to hit W and hit enter. And this time I'm going to do 2809, which is Fort Lauderdale, and hit enter. I lied, they don't have any. So I'll try Doral again, 3376. And now you can see numbers populate. They're all Cooper nickel coils, the First Company WSVX, and then the tonnages. And lastly, I put First Company SP-codes. If you type in SP-, that means they're special. We created them. They haven't become stock codes yet. FWSV, and then a back bracket. Enter. Same thing. W, enter, 3376, enter. And you'll see a few quantities populated on the right side of your screen under the SP- code. You can also type in WSHP, which stands for water source heat pump. So if I end out and I just type in WSHP as a descriptor, no back bracket, and hit enter, warehouse 3376. I will get some models, it may not be all of them, because it does have to have WSHP in the description part of the description of the product. I hope that's helpful.